Assalamu alaikum teachers, welcome to Gohar Publishers. Our slogan is redefining the geography of education through digital resources for conceptual learning. My name is Zainab and I will be guiding you throughout this journey of geography. So teachers, in today's video lecture, we will be discussing about Gohar Geography for grade 7, unit number 4, and that is agriculture. तो teachers, इस वीडियो में हम इस चैप्टर के SLOs डिस्कस करेंगे और वन बाय वन टॉपिक्स के बारे में समझेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। After studying this unit, students will be able to explore the broader meaning and types of agriculture, recognize that Pakistan is an agricultural country, recognize the value of agriculture in terms of Pakistan's economy, name main crops of Pakistan, describe different methods of agriculture, identify methods to evaluate agricultural projects, identify a few impacts of livestock, cattle, farming on the environment, describe that raw material from farming and fishery help to generate revenues, relate export of raw materials from farming and fishery to the global economy, identify the role of international economic institutions in agricultural development. Now let's move towards our skill-based SLOs, and that are students will be able to compare and contrast different methods of farming, differentiate between cash and staple crops, use maps to locate agricultural area and products, develop links between population growth and agricultural automation, differentiate between subsistence and livestock farming, analyze the factors that affect agricultural yield, analyze challenges related to livestock farming in Pakistan, predict changes in the structure of agricultural production in the future, evaluate the impact of agriculture on the environment, evaluate the effectiveness of the concepts of 3R, that is reuse, recycle and reduce for farmers, evaluate the importance of agriculture for Pakistan in terms of information and technology, evaluate the importance of agriculture for Pakistan in terms of Pakistan's economy, suggest ways for agricultural improvements in Pakistan, conduct surveys and interviews to gather data about the agricultural products and their utilization. तो टीचर्स अब चलिए चलते हैं हमारे टॉपिक्स की तरफ जो कि हम इस पूरे चैप्टर यूनिट नंबर 4 एग्रीकल्चर में कवर करने वाले हैं। तो हमारे टॉपिक्स हैं ब्रॉडर मीनिंग एंड टाइप्स ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, पाकिस्तान इज़ एन एग्रीकल्चरल कंट्री, वैल्यूज ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर इन टर्म्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान इकोनॉमी, मेन क्रॉप्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान, डिफरेंट मेथड्स ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, impacts of livestock farming on the environment, raw materials for farming and fishery help to generate revenues, raw materials from farming and fishery. So teachers, that is all the topics we will be discussing in this chapter. So now teachers, let's talk about the methodology you will be using to teach this chapter. आप students से flow charts बनवा सकती हैं. You can ask them to make charts on different types of agriculture. और आप बच्चों को अपने स्कूल के किसी भी गार्डन में लेके जाके वहाँ पे सॉइल टेस्टिंग करवा सकती हैं. वहाँ पे उन्हें डिफरेंट प्लांट्स और डिफरेंट जो ट्रीज़ हैं उनकी ऑब्जर्वेशन करवा सकती हैं. और आप जो है स्टूडेंट्स को डिफरेंट फील्ड ट्रिप्स पे लेके जा सकती हैं जहाँ पे बहुत सारे प्लांट्स हों लाइक फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. एंड also you can ask them to fill down worksheets, quizzes, and at the end of the chapter you can take assessment of all these. So teachers, that is the methodology you will be using. Hopefully you have enjoyed the video. Now let's talk about the teachers resources, that is Gohar Publishers providing you to help you out to teach about geography. तो टीचर्स, अगर आपने डिफरेंट की बुक्स, स्कीम ऑफ स्टडीज प्लान्स और गाइड्स को एक्सेस करना है, then you can go to the website that is www.goharpublishers.com to access all of these resources. And also you can also scan the QR code that is given at the back of your book to access all of these teachers resources. तो टीचर्स, मिलते हैं अब अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत ख्याल रखें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.